Put it in the center. I'm not gonna eat the face gum.
Stop. Don't bite it.
Put it in the center.
I am, dang.
Why you don't got look?
I don't, okay?
You don't got no hot fudge.
Yes.
Alright, now.
I'm going. Can I do this, please? Hey, you get on my nerves. Hey.
Make the fancy line.
I am. Can I please?
You got a candle?
No, yeah, no.
I was like, for real.
What's up, everybody? We're back at again another video. And today, what you saw in the title, you're not mistaken. We're about to make an Oreo cheesecake. And you probably thinking like, dang, Dawn, you know, last dessert video, you just said you wasn't good at baking, so we're gonna do it again. Because I want to like work on my baking skills. So like I said before, if I do something wrong, just let me know in the comments or anything like that, tweet me or whatever. But what we're gonna have to put in the Oreo cheesecake is, of course, the Oreos, some ground cinnamon, some vanilla, some cream cheese, some butter, eggs, and sugar. And the chocolate syrup is just an option. I know I'm a chocolate dude, so I'm gonna probably put a little drizzle on my cheesecake. And so, let's go get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. Alright, so what you about to do is, this about to be really tedious, I'm not gonna lie to you. Basically what you're just gonna do is gonna eat these Oreos right here. And so first I'm gonna probably eat one. And I'm gonna cook this, you know what I'm saying? Alright, after you eat one and stuff like that, you're gonna separate the other one you just grabbed. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate the white fillings and the crust. And so when you do that, basically you're gonna have them all in one bag. Then you're gonna crush up the ones without the frosting on it, and that's gonna be your crust for the cheesecake. So let me go ahead and do all this, and I'll show after we crust it and everything. See y'all. Every time, you know how like little quick story if I continue. You know how to learn how to middle off? Or just like imagine I'm smacking somebody's head. You hit a wind off it. So, you know, welcome back and everything like that. So this is basically what you're looking for when you get the crust and everything like that. And where you get it all formed, you get that stick of butter and you just like mix it all in and like kind of like knead it with your palm, like your gorilla or something like that. And so it's like you just form this like little crust. And so now all you really just gotta do now is get your cream cheese and put it on a mixing bowl. And ideally what you want it to do is you want it to be soft. The only thing you really need to do is ignore that mess I just said right there. But all you really need to do is just put all the cream cheese in it. Then put your vanilla mixture, some ground cinnamon in it, some sugar, and a little bit of salt. Then while it's mixing, you add 1 egg at a time. So let me go ahead and do this, and I'll show y'all when everything's ready. Alright. Welcome back, y'all. And so basically, this is what it looks like after you get done mixing everything in. And you probably wonder what's that little like stuff in it. It's not nothing nasty in it, don't worry. It's just a little bit crust of Oreos in it. But help the get that Oreo taste to it. So basically, all you really just gonna do is just pour some of the stuff in here. Around. Bring it around town like SpongeBob said. And once you do that, just toss it in the oven. So let me go and do it like that, and I'll show we get done plating and stuff like that. See? Alright, y'all, welcome back. After I let the cheesecake cook, basically what you wanted to do was, I'll add a little bit. You know how to do this, I add like the rest of the Oreos. That's a little garnish. I didn't just want to toss away the Oreos and stuff like that. But basically you can pull it out, let it cool out for a little bit. Then this is the hardest part, trust me, this is very my heart, just thinking about it. You gotta put the cheesecake, let it cool, and put it in see how long I last. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying. But y'all, if you just impatient, you can also wait about 3 or 4 hours like that. But I'm gonna try to hold it out in like in that 24 hours. You know, cause it's better, you know, overnight. But we'll see.
A few moments later.
Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm back at it again. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I couldn't wait that whole like 24 hours, you know what I'm saying? So I had to go in 3 hours and get a piece of this cheesecake. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all again. Like, this is my first time making it, so we're about to like experience it together. Alright. Let's go see what this thing talking like. Now y'all, I got a little chocolate syrup on it too. You know, you don't have to do it, but you know I'm a chocolate dude, so let's see. Oh, yeah, that's good though. That's good. That's good. Hold up. That's good right now. Hold on. Oh guys, an Oreo cheesecake right there. So just go ahead and hit like, subscribe, all that fun stuff right there for you to check out the next videos. So have a blessed day.
I ain't wanna do it, but I had to do it anyway. Cause niggas looking lost like the city where the Lakers play. Tryna be a boss, AMG until I fade away. 1033, coming mean like a poker face. No, I ain't go to college for the knowledge I attain today. Common sense, but nigga, you can't save it for a rainy day. It's more money, more problems, really, I got bills to pay. Mama read the Bible, devil lurking, so she always pray. Back up on the road, and I've been facing my foes, niggas, they redder than rose.